If you're trying to connect your laptop or PC to Wi-Fi and keep seeing that annoying message, "Can't connect to this network," then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the steps to fix this problem. Before we begin, keep one thing in mind. When connecting to Wi-Fi, always try to stay close to your router. If you're too far away, this error is much more likely to appear. First, right-clicking on the Windows Start button and select Run. In Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and click OK. This will open a new window where you can see all your Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Next, right-click your Wi-Fi again, and this time choose Properties. In the Properties window, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. If you see a custom DNS server address set, change it to Obtain DNS server address automatically, and click OK, then OK again to apply the changes. Now test your connection. If it's still not working, go back to the Wi-Fi network property settings. This time, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now type this DNS address 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS. This is Google DNS we are using. And next type 1.1.1.1 as the alternate DNS. This is Cloudflare DNS address. Click OK, then OK again, and check if the issue is resolved. If you're still facing "Can't connect to this network" issue, try this next step. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection, go to Properties, and then click on Configure. A new window will open where you can adjust your wireless settings. Go to the Advanced tab and look for the option called Roaming Aggressiveness. Change its value to lowest. This setting gives you stronger and more stable signals when you're close to the router. However, if you're farther away, setting it to lowest might cause problems. So, the best option is to keep it at medium if your router isn't too close or too far. On some Wi-Fi cards, you may not see this setting at all. That's fine, because your card will automatically handle it. Once you've made the changes, close the window and test your connection to see if the issue is resolved. The next method you can try is updating your Wi-Fi drivers. First, disable your Wi-Fi connection and then enable it again. After that, right-click on your Wi-Fi, go to Properties, and click on Configure. In the new window, go to the Driver tab and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From there, pick the second option or third driver option and install it. Once done, restart your system and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue is still there, here's another solution. Open the Windows search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. A black window will open. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter, then type netsh space Winsock space reset and press Enter again. After both commands are executed, restart your computer, restart your router, and then try connecting to Wi-Fi again. In most cases, this should fix the "Can't connect to this network" issue. Hopefully, your problem is solved. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.